write songs about big stuff, like Purple Mountains, Majesty, stuff like that. But some of us are a little nearsighted, and so I tend to write about things that are about 5.5 feet in front of my nose. So I'd like to take a quick poll here. Who in the audience is between the age of, say, 13 and 20? Stand up, right? Stand up and be counted. All right, good. Thank you. And who here either lives or has recently lived with someone from this age cohort? Okay, well, good. So I think we're each going to have probably a different perspective on this song. And with thanks to Les and Libby and apologies to Edgar Allan Poe, we have the Pit by the Pendulum Blues. Oh, the pendulum swung and it plumb near knocked me down. Just an instant or two, I'm lying there flat on the ground. 'Cause my teenage daughter just swung from grin to frown. Forgot to chores, don't dare mention them. 5 days worth of dishes at her place. It'll never penetrate her deeply armored brain stem. Box is overflowing, the dishwasher's full. Overdue library books are underneath some wool. Oh, she's Scorpio born, but often she's Taurus the bull. Knitting on the couch or staring in the mirror. Brushing her teeth with a book clutch deep. Oh, don't say a word, her laser glares in top gear. You're deeply insulted, we never quite know. Asking how was your day, she might blow. And it'll only get better someday if she has a beau. Well, her dad's such a dummy, it's plain to see. So much free advice delivered expertly. But I don't dare laugh. 40 years ago that was me. Yes, I don't dare laugh. 40 years ago that was me. Pendulum. Great show.